man throw my can. I never call no foul.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Your belly.
You bumper clad boy. Shida.
Miss a pirate you. Miss a pirate you. Tell me what you gonna do when only boy catch you. Miss a pirate you. Miss a pirate you. Come tell me what you gonna do when Jackie Brown catch you. You see people tune. You take it up. You put it on CD. And no money we no get.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Miss a pirate you. What you gonna do when Harris Cole catch you? Miss a pirate you. Miss a pirate you. What you gonna do when Harris Cole catch you?
I don't want no waiting game.
Shida.
From the very first time I place my eyes on you, girl,
Hey!
my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feel is fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string. 'Cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. 'Cause it's summer is here, I'm still waiting there. Winter is here, and I'm still waiting there. Like I said, it's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, and I still can knock some more. Ooh girl, is it feasible? I wanna know now, for I to knock some more. You see, in life I know there's lots of grief, but your love is my relief. Tears in my eyes burn, tears in my eyes burn, while I'm waiting for my turn. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love.
Lead me to my heart.
Lumba Lolo.
Out. Oh, when I turn my eyes and see the wickedness that Babylon been carrying on. Oh, when I turn my eyes and see the way that they handle the people in the streets. Oh, that I am pleased like a dove. Fly to the hills and be at rest. Oh, that I am pleased like a dove. I will fly. Take it from me. Oh, that I am pleased like a dove. Fly to the hills and be at rest. Oh, that I am pleased like a dove. I will fly. Oh, when I turn and look around and see
people drinking dirty water like that. Oh, when I turn around and see how much food waste a government house. Oh, that I am is like a dove. Fly to the years and be at grace. Oh, that I am is like a dove.
Yeah, the hits keep coming.
Now once when I wanted to go mad for her, tell me no.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the
I
Fun
can't stand it
Master.
no more. My cup is overflown. Although with you I want to do, yeah, I need your love no more. So you can live your life while I'll go on live mine. I wish you good luck and goodbye. I'll see you around sometime. It's time that you should be wise, yeah, and take off your love disguise.
Shida.
Lord, oh yeah, yeah. Now once when I wanted to go my poor heart, tell me no, but I can't stand it no more. My cup is overflown. Although with you I want to do, yeah, I need your love no more. So you can live your life while I go on live mine. I wish you good luck and goodbye. I'll see you around sometime. It's time that you should be wise, yeah, and take off your love disguise. Yeah, Lord, oh yeah.
Lights off. Speakers on. Turn this motherfucker up. Bang, bang, bang.
Can I live on like this?
DeeJay DarkPrince, the
Every day
Fun
of my
Master.
life? On your promises which never come true. How longer can we wait? Wait in this state. When my pants is torn, shoes worn off. All the youths are crying, feeling the pangs of hell. No food to eat, no money to spend.
Oh no!
You know well, and I know too. The birds cannot fly on one wing. You know well, and I know too. A hungry man is a hungry man. Help me today, I help you tomorrow. Yes, in this way we will both survive. Promising me this, promising me that. See, I'm not a fool who live on promises. You know well, and I know too. No birds cannot fly on one wing. You know well, and I know too. A hungry man is a hungry man.
I went on a scene last night.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
And there she was, in a corner she standing. The night was young, so I hold on to her hand. She said, Bingy, let's go. Nobody spoil this your show. I said, she no, Bingy, don't go. Stay a little while longer. No go, no spoil this your show. She said, no, Bingy, don't go. Touch me like you did before. Touch me, make me really want more. She said, come on, beats. You have a boat, we go paddle. So muscle up. Nobody want like you a muggle. She said, get ready. God this your boat here is heavy. So get ready, we go rock it steady.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
She say, come on, beat. You have a boat, we go paddle. So muscle up, no matter one like you a model. She say, get ready, cause this your boat here is heavy. So get ready, we go rock it steady. She say, no, no, Bingy don't go.
Yeah, the hits keep coming.
Shit down. She said no, Bingy don't go. Touch me like you did before. Touch me like you really want. She said, lift up your head and hold it up high.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
We know that we'll win the fight. Time getting harder. Still we striving for better. And we not gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. Cause if you lose your stand, anyone will try to push you over and over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Don't be discouraged by the pitfalls and their worries. They endure for one night, but joy cometh in the morning. And if you lose your soul, there's nothing to gain. It will be over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize.
Talk to you, but it's not the same.
Yeah, the hits keep coming.
And every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. We'll be together, and it won't be long. It won't be long, but it seems like forever. Yeah, and it's hard on my own, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now.
Hold up. When I say pull up, you know what I mean. Bring that shit back.
Shit down. Missing you.
Wabebe tena.
Talk to you, but it's not the same.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Touching you. And every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. We'll be together, yeah. And it won't be long. It won't be long, but it seems like forever, yeah. And it's hard on my own, baby, And it's driving me crazy, 'cause I'm needing my baby. I need to sing you now. Yeah. Can we alone, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now. Hey! Ooh, needing you right here by my side is all that I can do. My arms around my pillow at night, they should be holding you. I was much stronger. How could I know? How could I know? But it seems like forever, and it's hard to be strong, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now.
Yeah, the hits keep coming.
I said I'm coming after my soul, wanting to take control. Wanna give me laughs, wanna give me bling, wanna give me all the material things. I am talking about what the world has to offer. Girl, what you doing, don't you see what they have done to Bedouin and Marcus, Jesus and all of the prophets? But I'm not afraid, no, I'm not afraid. No, I'm not afraid, no. If them a come, let them come, 'cause I'm protected by the Most High One. They don't mind when you fall behind and can't pay your bills on time. Prostituting and standing in a them government line, no. And they don't mind when you waste your time coming up with some stupid lines, influencing the youth, them for snort a line or take a life. And they don't mind when you're locked up in jail, can't get no bail, sentence for life. I can't see your youth them strive. No, they don't
DJ
mind.
DarkPrince, the Fun
But
Master.
I'm not afraid, no. No, I'm not afraid. No, I'm not afraid, no.
Poverty just a blow them mind. Poverty a blow the youth them mind. So in return all them want is crime. Poverty a blow the people mind. Poverty just a blow them mind. Poverty a blow the youth them mind. So in return all them want is crime. Poverty a blow the people mind. Bills are fling left and right. We can't take the bill them in our eyesight. Just yesterday we done pay the light, and now them send another one out there tonight. That's no right in just sight. And then them raise certain prices by just so the black youth them can enjoy. So in return all them want is fight. They just come to shine certain lights. Poverty just a blow them mind. Poverty a blow the youth them mind. So in return all them want is crime. Poverty a blow the people mind. One more time. Poverty just a blow them mind. Poverty a blow the youth them mind. So in return all them want is crime. It blow the people mind. Have to join unemployment line and pray for a better pay this time. Minimum wage can't pay attention for your mind, much less we connect with telephone line. Them the on the line, giving you calls just to remind. Say pan a payment today we're behind. Interest rate just a move up high. Poverty just a blow them mind. Poverty just a blow them mind. Poverty just a blow them mind. Poverty just a blow them mind.
There are lots of signs in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute
DJ
you're gone
DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Shida.
Wa bebe tena. Wa bebe tena.
Ritima.
There are lots of signs in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your heads, my brothers. Be conscious, my sisters. And by your works you shall surely be paid. Never can to miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, the one who sits high and he looks down low. And if you ever miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, then you'll be someone that he don't know. Say a prayer and chant the psalms. Prayer a day keep the evil calm. You don't have to go to church or be a Christian to call on your name. Hey. Shout out the name Jehovah in the valleys. Shout out the name Jehovah on the hills. Shout out the name Jehovah on the plains. Or even if it rains, call on the name. Call on your name the same. Call on the name.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the
So
Fun Master.
The man with the anger, the one who's
Lights
got the
off.
tiger,
Speakers on. Turn this motherfucker up.
And if you ever miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, then you will be someone that he don't know.
Wa bebe tena. Wa bebe tena.
You got a smile so bright. You know you could have been a candle. I'm holding you so tight. You know you could have been a handle. The way you swept me off my feet. You know you could have been a broom. And baby, it sounds so sweet. You know you could have been some perfume. Well, you could have been anything you wanted to. I can tell. The way you do the things you do. Alright, the way you do the things you do. As pretty as you are, you know you could have been a flower. Your good looks were amazing. You know you could have been an hour. The way you stole my love, you know you could have been a groove. And baby, you're so smart. You know you could have been a school boo. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to. I can tell you.
Shida.
Alright, the way you do.
Yeah, the hits keep coming.
It's been a long time going astray, looking for the right way of life.
Oh no!
Doing useless things with my friends, thinking that they will show me the way. But somebody said to me, all what I am doing will never pay. I am gonna lose my dignity. I'm gonna lose my life. One day I said to him, how can I stay far away from this? He said to me, yeah, nothing but prayer.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Nothing but prayer. Nothing but prayer. Nothing but prayer. Live your troubles with the Lord.
They try to fight me down. They would like to push me around. Some say they don't like the way I dress. Oh, Jah, I don't care less. No one can hurt I and I through the powers of the Most High. I don't want
Wabebe tena. Wabebe tena.
Lights off. Speakers on. Turn this motherfucker up.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
they try to fight me down.
Hey!
They would like to push me around. Some say they don't like the way I dress. Oh, Jah, I don't care less. No one can hurt I and I through the powers of the Most High. And anti-dread is what I am. A Rasta man is what I'm trying to be. I don't fear no one. I don't fear no evil. Hey, now life is just a trip. Even death has a reason. A Congo man is what I am. African. A higher man is what I'm trying to be. I don't fear no one. I don't fear no evil. Hey, now life is just a trip. Even death has a reason. This victimization I cannot bear. It's the same vibration everywhere. Don't judge the book by looking at its cover. The day shall come to depend on each other. Your evil today will blight your tomorrow. So do good today and avoid your sorrow. And anti-dread is what I am. A Rasta man is what I'm trying to
The hits keep coming,
I don't
coming.
fear no one. I don't fear no to take you, and now I'm so mad. But that's the way to love. That's how I feel in my heart. I've got to say, oh, how I suffer. Oh, how I tried. I gave up my pride just to be by her side. And whosoever tried to take the love that's really, really mine, I never say no other word, no other word.
Fire, baby.
So if I die back, tell if you let him try, let him try,
Anybody
let him try, let him try, let him try.
Yeah, the hits keep coming.
Can't wait for the week to close.
Sit down.
Rolling. Ooh, this 9 to 5 is pinning me down. I can't win. Should I mention my concentration does get disturbed sometimes? With more birthdays and good now, a tribulation time. But every day is a brand new crisis. The maintenance just keeps rising. How long can we keep fighting? Take it easy, can't afford to overload.
Let me hear you scream. Sit down.
Let's get crazy.
Can't wait for the week to close. Friday evening rolling.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Is pinning me down. I can't win. Should I mention my concentration does get disturbed sometimes? With more birthdays and good now, a tribulation time. But every day is a brand new crisis. The maintenance just keeps rising. How long can we keep fighting? Take it easy, can't afford to overload. No. And you know you've done your best, running so many jobs. Burn yourself into the ground to find you're in the same spot. I'm not asking for no miracles, no. A moment in time, find an open door of opportunity to change my life. Cause every day is a brand new crisis. Hey. Maintenance just keeps rising. Say, how long can we keep fighting? Yeah. Oh, got to take it easy. Can't afford to overload. Oh, baby.
What baby Kenna? What baby Kenna?
Wishing I could hold you now, wishing you were here with me. Lonely as I am tonight, please come rescue me. Hey! Come let me show you love's so right, I need you desperately. Having you is all I need. Girl, I'm happy that you're mine. Waiting for you patiently. Girl, I'm happy that you're mine. Now you're here. That you're mine, mama mine, mama mine, mama mine, yeah. Ooh,
DeeJay DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
I'm feeling kinda lonely, girl. I could use your company. Wishing I could hold you now, wishing you were here with me. Lonely as I am tonight, please come rescue me. Come let me show you love's so right, I need you desperately. No other tricks to play, you will see the cards I'm dealing. And I don't wanna lose it now, my heart is what you're stealing. So baby, take my everything, without you they have no meaning. Having you is all I need, and I'm happy that you're mine. Waiting for you patiently, girl, I'm happy that you're mine. Now you're here,
Wa baby tena, wa baby tena.
Yeah, the hits keep coming.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
So far, in love with you.
Shit down.
Bang 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 bang. Wa baby tena, wa baby tena.
I just wanna let you know that I'll never let you go. Never leave you in the cold, 'cause I'm so far gone in love with you. I just wanna let you know that I'll never let you go. Never leave you in the cold, 'cause I'm so far gone in love with you. You are my sweet loving empress. Without a doubt, I know you are the world's greatest. Forevermore, forever less. Day by day, dealing with stress, but still we love are truly blessed. Like a real lion, you a real lioness. Sweet loving, she a manifest. Ay, still ever strong, keeping the contest. Your woman still ever strong, keeping the contest. I just wanna let you know,
Fire, baby.
that I'll never let you go. Never leave you in the cold, 'cause I'm so far gone in love with you.
Big to my baby girl with the sexy little attitude. Put it up because you know that you're really good. Steam it up because you know you got me in the mood.
If I was to tell you just how much I need you, would you come tonight?
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun
Would you
Master.
not believe me? 'Cause a love that easy never turns out right. I'm trying to change the rules, you deserve something good in your life. We waited for far too long, so come get your blessings tonight. Baby, won't you come over, love, so I can show you love.
Straight away.
Promise I got enough to give you all that you need. Baby, so many search to find love that's as good as mine.
It's a sign.
I will waste your time, so bring it all to me,
alright.
baby.
Girl, I've been waiting for the longest time just to run, come and give it his love. Yeah. Girl, you know that you've been on my mind. Can't sleep at night and such. Baby girl, now that you have shown me the sign for press gas and don't bother with the clutch. Baby girl, I'm gonna give you loving all night long, so strong that you won't forget my touch. Baby girl,
baby, let me teach you, give you love instruction, show you what I know. We should take it easy, ain't no need to rush, no, baby, nice and slow. All this love I can give to you, I expect just a bit in return. You don't have to be perfect, love, as long as you're willing to learn. Baby, won't you come over, love, so I can show you love.
Straight away.
Promise I got enough to give you all that
The
you
hits keep
need.
coming.
So many search to find love that's as good as mine.
It's a sign.
Daddy, don't touch me there.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father.
Fire, baby.
Ooh, Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Every day I wonder why my daddy had to be the one to take away my innocence.
Oh, sometimes I wanna die. It feels like no one cares for me, and it's evident that something must be wrong with me. I'm not as happy as I seem to be. The long showers I take don't wash away the memories. Why do I have to face these tragedies? We go through struggles in life, I'm aware, but to have my daddy touching me, that's just not fair. Stopping from this joy in my future. Believe me, he's behaving like a creature. Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Ooh, Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. To all your mothers out there, give a listening ear. Pay attention even if the man a pastor. You have to make sure before you trust him with your daughter. Plus him will even try to take your son as brother. Watch it make me duck him with some dirty water. You can't hide no more, no, you have to meet your karma. If you know say it's a go on and turn a blind eye, then your judgment a go pile up out a mile high. Get suicidal if you think it's a go save you, because me sure say you're not gonna get fishy the savior. Me just can't find a name for your behavior. It's a lucky thing we got a nosy neighbor. Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Ooh, Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you one day, I
Fire,
swear.
baby.
Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed
Anything you want is calling. I got a big bright smile, but my days are dark. Hungry till I can barely walk. So much to look on my face.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the fun master.
Don't have no food and my cupboard's dry. Only God knows how I get by. Oh, so much to look on my face. No, she's the sweetest thing that you've ever seen. Selling her body wasn't in her dreams. No, so much to look on her face. No, no, because we have a pleasant look. If you don't know the story, don't judge the book. Please don't. No much to look on my face. No, even though I smile, it is only for a while. My tears could fill the river Nile, but I sweep my troubles underneath my pride. Yes, I'm gonna smile, though it's only for a while. Till my worries subside, I will sweep my troubles underneath my pride. Yeah, yeah. Tell me there, yeah. I won't leave you for an inch. Anything you want, just call on him. I say, yeah, Lord. Tell me there, yeah. Friend, you are look to him. He will never ever leave you. Because you think everything cool, show me look polite. Nothing no good, nothing done right, though. Don't want you look on my face. So when you feel like stop, just don't give up. You have a life, so just go and look up. Jah Lord knows the look on my face. So while I smile, my heart cries. No one knows the pain I feel inside. Please don't watch the look on my face.
The hits keep coming.
It is only for a while. Tears could fill the river Nile, but I keep my troubles underneath my pride. Though it's only for a while, till my worries subside, I will sweep my troubles underneath my pride.
I'm raising my hands, nodding my head, power.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the fun master.
Wave to the left, power. Jah is so good to me, and I scream out, yeah, scream out, yeah. There is no doubt, yeah. Jah is so good to me. The loving in my heart I bubble over. My love for rest my head up on your shoulder. Oh, day and night you will watch over, and you cover me, cover me. Oh, every time I think about you, oh, and how your loving feels so good. It feels like I can touch the sky. So
till you scream.
Now wave to the right, wave to the left, God is so
Let's get crazy.
And I scream out, yeah, scream out, yeah. There is no doubt, yeah. Jah is so good to me.
Oh no!
It no make no sense to try, sit still, none tall. No, not at all, no. I remember every time you pick me up. Every time that I fall, I want to walk in your way, and I want to talk in your way, and that's why every day to you I pray. I'm raising my hands, nodding my head, God. Jah is so good to me. Jah is so good to the right, wave to the left, God. Jah is so good to me.
What baby Kenna? What baby Kenna?
Shit up.
When the world's driving me crazy,
Hey!
earth is shaking at my feet. Feel a weight upon my shoulder. You're my rescue, you're my remedy. Everything about you frees me. I relax and take it easy, 'cause you give me hope.
Shit up.
Oh, na, 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 na.
Lights off. Speakers on. Turn this motherfucker up.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun
When the
Master.
world's driving me crazy, earth is shaking at my feet. Feel a weight upon my shoulder. You're my rescue, you're my remedy. Everything about you frees me. I relax and take it easy, 'cause you give me hope, hope. You're like the morning sun, and I'm not alone. You give me hope, hope. You're like the sun rays. No, I'm not afraid, 'cause you give me hope when I walk on sinking sand. Feeling lonely in a crowd, when everything's pulling me in every direction. You're my anchor, you're my solid ground. All I'm searching for I find. Your medicine for my mind. You give me hope, hope. Like the morning sun.
Fire, baby.
You give me hope, hope.
Shit up.
Like the sun rays. No, I'm not afraid, 'cause you give me
All my life.
What
You
baby
never make me
Kenna?
blue. All the ups and downs
What
we've been
baby
through,
Kenna?
I'll never forget. You're the only one that's true. You wrap me up when I was cold. You bring me joy from sorrow. The love you give is inseparable. No other girl could follow. Memories, sweet memories of you. Keep me dreaming over you. Oh, 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 oh. Memories, sweet memories of you. Keep me dreaming over you. Oh, oh, oh. Girl, everything is everything. The way you roll, I like your style. And anything is anything. We've got it locked, so keep it real. We've got a special feeling. This love is it all over.
DJ DarkPrince, the Fun Master.
This love is making history. Memories, sweet memories of you. Got me dreaming
Yeah, but hits keep coming.
Reggae music again. Hey! Oh, na, yeah. It's been a long time now since we groove together like this. A different vibe is in the air. Reggae music again. Happiness on every face, peace and love for every race. Smile and greet with real friends over and over again. Boy, it's been a long time. We don't have no vibe like this. Reggae music again. Whoa, reggae music again. Boy, and it's been so long. We don't listen to some old time reggae song. Play the music again. Yes, make we unite again. I remember when, way back then, positivity was the message we sent. No man not pretend, from the root to the stem. It used to be Jamaica, no problem.
DeeJay DarkPrince, the fun master.
And them kind of love that we need to extend. Remember when the skirt them are up on the pants them. It's been a long time. We don't have no vibe like this. Play the music again. Yeah, reggae music again. It's been so long. We don't listen to some old time reggae song. Play the music again. As a reggae make we unite again. Who know I hear it? If you were in my shoes, you would see some me not choose music and me music choose. Impossible for me refuse. Can't make no excuse. And if I the good vibe you want, bring the real thing come. Reggae music live and can't done, so make it play for the rest of my days. Boy, it's been a long time. We don't have no vibe like this. Reggae music again. Reggae music again. Boy, it's been so long. We don't listen to some old time reggae song. Play the music again. Yeah, I make we unite again. I remember when, way back then, positivity was the message we sent. No man not pretend, from the root to the stem. It used to be Jamaica, no problem. Money I spend, borrow or lend. And them kind of love that we need to extend. Remember when the skirt them are up on the pants them. It's been a long time. We don't have no vibe like this. Play the music again. Reggae music again. It's so long. We don't listen to some old time reggae song. Play the music again. Make we unite again. So long. Music again. Music again. Unite again. So long. Reggae music again. One drop again. Yeah. Real vibe. One drop vibe.